Yeah, I'm kind of busy today. Um, uh, Fair use, fair use. All right, let's get it. All right, all right. Hello, Hawa. It's real. All right. Hold on, Pippin. Hold on, Pippin. All right. Um, now, now, um, get rid of this. All right, all right. Now, they it's just like when Hitler went down to South America and 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 he came back with those fighter jets um that had the mouth of a dragon on the nose of it, and he wanted to make what he's seen down in South uh past South America, Antarctic, Antarctic. Yeah, Hitler went to Antarctica, but um now uh they try to throw us off by flying this thing because shit. Well, we seen fucking Area 51, all that bullshit. The 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 UFOs, the silver UFOs and shit. I believe that's them. That's the government. But watch. Why? Why this thing is flying, and you gonna see a fucking real dragon. It's watch this hand while I do this. All right, come on. Now it's gonna fly right through here. We ain't watching that bullshit. Yeah, see, right there. And see, the cameraman, the cameraman jumped it off like, "Hey, what was that?" Hmm. The Dracon, the UIP, unidentified anomaly. I don't know. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, Malakim, and see these are the Malakim, the Hawa's messages to check on them, cause that's them. That's the most. That thing was the most high. That thing was the most hot, and then you saw it. It didn't see it. Whoop! It dipped down and then whoop, shut off. Whoop. Mm. Yeah. All right. All right. And, here's another one. Here's another one. You see that? You see that? Shout out to UFO News. Yeah, go show some love to UFO News, man. I can't get up on it. Man. And see, man, uh, it's still, but I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you, man. It's still 2023, man. I'm gonna show you. But what is that? Oh, I gotta get the cooking. I gotta get the cooking. I gotta feed the fam. Wow, what is that? Man, if I would fly in the air and looked out the window and saw that, just la 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 la. But hey, and see why's the person not okay? I was like, man, well, why's the person not going back to it? But man, we ain't seen these figures um, and and other videos, and then I'm not gonna say that the black thing that me and my Ock um, Mark saw up there at at Dover Lights was this big, but it was solid black like that, and uh, and it it got our attention. It flew in front of us. It wanted us to know it was there, and it just disappeared in fucking thin air. And see, just like the video that I posted earlier today about that light just going out in thin air, that's what it did. It just whoop, thin air. We were like, what the hell? I'm just gonna let him finish talking about it, talking about this. I know just my bad, my bad. Now, this was taken from Earth. May 25th, 2019, by Pedro Ramirez, or it was just uploaded to his channel. All right, this was taken from Earth. Um, and this was about the moon. And I saw another video like this where stuff was popping up and going in and out the moon. Oh, I gotta, man, I've seen so many videos, but yeah.
Science footage, UFO madness, and UFOs footage. Filmed on May 25th, 2019 by Pedro Ramirez, or it was just uploaded to his channel. Either way, I think this was an amateur astronomer that was filming this, and as you can see, it's a cylindrical UFO. What looks like orbs being released from the area. It's a strange video, this. Now, if this is real, like really filmed from Earth, we're using a telescope, then this is significant. I've seen this before and I've wanted to do a video about this for a while, but the information on it is just sparse. People are calling it a mothership UFO, which I suppose technically it is because it's releasing smaller orbs.
Yeah.
And it's said to be between 150 to 200 kilometers. Guys, this is just, it's insane the size of it. But where are these orbs, these smaller released orbs going? Where are they actually, you know?
It looked like it's swimming. It looked like it's just thrusting.
With all the telescopes, with all the satellites, with all the cameras that we have facing outwards, surely somebody in official capacity, in official department, somebody knows something either about this or about other UFOs, and they're tracking them. Where do they go? Where do they come from? With any single UFO since, I'd say, 2010 onwards, must be able to know where they're coming from and where they're going. It's just as simple as that. If it's filming, it's recording. If it's recording, they can just rewind the satellite, the video. I mean, we have webcams at volcanoes, keep an eye on it, and they catch so many UFOs, and you just rewind them, and you can see where they come in, where they go.
Mm-hmm.
Surely. Well, we know that UFOs are real now. They're called UAPs, unidentified anomalous phenomena. Surely, we know where these are coming from, where they're going. Point of entry, point of disembark. We know more is in the public domain, and we should know. To know. With the public, we have just got just as much right as they have to know, to access the information. Especially if it's our tax dollars that are paying for the equipment. Let us know what you think, guys.
Yeah. Credit. Hey. UFO news. Allah, it's real. Yeah.